So welcome to video 3 for week 1. Now we're moving into the content for the course. Some of the things you're going to be learning. For the first couple of weeks, our activities are going to focus on identifying your strengths, okay? And we'll identify your strengths by doing a high 5 assessment and a peer feedback activity. We'll do those in a couple of minutes. And then we're going to look at some strategies that you can use to communicate your strengths to potential employers. And so you're going to learn how to do an elevator pitch, and you're going to create an elevator pitch that features your strengths. And you're going to create a LinkedIn account to market yourself and hopefully highlight your strengths. So how we're going to maybe think about who you are and what your strengths are, what you think they are, and then we're going to check and see how other people, they would describe your strengths. And that's what this first activity is. So during our synchronous class, I'll get you to either make some emojis or write some words that you think describe your 5, 6, 7 strengths, character traits that are really positive. And then what I'm going to get you to do is go back to your breakout room that we used for the bingo activity and ask the people in your breakout room who might have only met you for the game of bingo to provide one word or one emoji that they think demonstrates a strength that you've demonstrated during the bingo activity. Who knew the bingo activity would be so high pressure, right? Anyways, and the goal here is for you to reflect on what your classmates identify as some of your strengths and see if you're giving the same image or you're portraying the same image to other people when you first meet them as you are hoping, as you think are your strengths. And that's sort of a springboard for the future activities. So then what I'm going to get you to do is do this self-assessment called a high 5. And you'll click the link here and just use the free test results only. Complete this activity because you'll need to complete it to do this reflection. Remember the reflections, there's 5 of them, and I'm marking 4 of them. This is a pretty easy one. You just answer the questions and then save the results. They'll look like this, and they tell you how awesome you are, at least 5 things that are awesome about you. And then you're going to submit that summary screen to the assignment Dropbox in DC Connect. You can put it in an MS Word document if you like. And then you're going to just write a couple of paragraphs for me. One that says that give 2 examples of how you have in the past or how you can in the future use some of your high 5 strengths to help you achieve a career, personal, or academic goal. So that's what we're going to do during class time this week. And the other slides moving forward are ones that I want you to do on your own. And they've got some links to some TED Talk kind of videos. And after you watch them, you'll know a little bit about more what a personal brand is, and you can take the quiz to check for understanding. And then I will see you the following week. Thanks and have a great week.